this is Angela Murad at Amazing Kids AAC Consulting. So this video is going to assume that you've already sideloaded the Google Play App Store, you've already purchased and installed the Speech Assistant AAC app, and you've seen my video about how I was able to get Acapela voices to use over in this app, which was quite exciting, especially for Josh and Ella for child high-quality voices. So this is going to assume that you have all of that done. Make sure that you download the Acapela app from the Google Play App Store. And then you'll go through the process of purchasing and downloading, fully installing whatever Acapela voices that you want. So I've purchased Josh and Ella. And right now you can see the heart is on Ella, which means that's set as my voice. I also went over here and checked always use default voice. Okay, so then after doing that, I'm going to go over here. And unfortunately on Amazon Fire, these voices didn't work in any other app sideloaded over here, but there's something that the developer of Speech Assistant AAC has done that allows this, which is awesome.
My name is Angela.
So right there you hear Ella. You also hear within the settings under speech and sound, you'll need to set Acapela TTS, text to speech, as your speech engine. Here, set the voice that you want, but the additional step that you have to do. So actually, let me show you how to switch to Josh. But, whoops. Let's back out of that. Done.
My name is Angela.
And you're going, that's still Ella. Took quite a while to figure out what I need to do to get it to actually switch to Josh. So the last step is to go back over here to Acapela, do a long press on Josh, and see that set it to default. Now I'm going to go back over.
My name is Angela.
So now that's Josh. So I'm going to go back over here, and if I wanted to switch it to Ella, long press, go back over here.
My name is Angela.
So that's the final step that you need to do. Hope this helps, and super excited to have 2 high-quality child voices that I can use on my Amazon Fire tablet in Speech Assistant AAC.